Hey guys, so in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Apple HomePod. So let's get started. So I currently have an Apple HomePod Mini. So this is going to replace it. So pull this up. Wow, that's nice. So I'm gonna move this, take this out of the box, and here's the power cord. To take this off, put that there. I'm going to go and plug this into. Yeah, it was. Okay, I'm going to go plug this in.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I got my old phone. Alright, so that's booting up. Make sure it's on the right house. Yeah, it is. So obviously the Mini is not gonna have any response. Ooh. Set up. This is going to go to home, bedroom, transfer, sure use personal requests, don't enable, and I gotta set it up on this phone. Alright, because this is my old phone, iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I currently have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So, yeah, I was gonna try to use this. I'm gonna have to set it up on this phone. Oh, I just got a notification. iCloud, and the flashing is caused by my phone, not by the HomePod in person. So yeah, setting up HomeKit. Alright, so I'm going to settings, go to settings. I'm going to name the HomePod if it lets me. I guess not. Well, let's see, what is the... Okay, this is glitching. Configuring. It's on 17.6, wow. I have to blur that out, but it's on AudioOS or tvOS 17.6. I'm probably gonna have to wait. Froze again. Alright, well, I'm gonna software update it, and yeah, so anyways, thank you guys for watching. Comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell so you guys receive new notifications on when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.